Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to design 3 completely different website concepts for a fitness client using Relume. All from one wireframe, all inside one project. If you want to try Relume yourself, the link is in the description below. Now let's get into it. Let me show you something. I have a client brief right here. Fitness coach wants a website, no brand direction yet. Instead of going back and forth for weeks trying to figure out what she wants, I am going to design her 3 completely different website concepts today. Same structure, 3 totally different visual identity. And I am going to do it using Relume before I even open Figma. Let's go. So here is the brief. My client is Sarah Mitchell. She runs Strong Her Coaching, a personal fitness coaching brand for women. She offers one-on-one coaching, an online 12-week program, and a monthly membership. She wants a website that looks professional and converts visitors into clients. No brand colors, no fonts, nothing decided yet. This is the most common brief I get, and honestly, this is where most designers get stuck. They don't know where to start. So let me show you exactly how I handle this. I'm in Relume. I type one prompt for Strong Her Coaching, personal fitness coach for women, premium peel, conversion focused. I hit generate, and within second I have a full sitemap. I trim it down to 5 sections: hero, about, program, testimonial, etc., and a booking CTA. Then I generate the wireframe. Done. One wireframe. This is the foundation for all 3 concepts. I am not going to rebuild anything from scratch. I'm going to use this exact same structure for every concept and only change the visual direction inside the style guide. That is the whole trick. Now here is the fun part. I go to the style guide tab in Relume. This is where I can change the entire visual direction of the wireframe without touching a single section or layout. Colors, font, component style, all of it's live here. I'm going to create concept A first, clean and minimal. Then I'm going to duplicate it and change the style for concept B, warm and lifestyle. Then duplicate it again for concept C, bold and editorial. 3 concept, one wireframe. Let me show you. Okay, so let's start with the concept A, clean and minimal. In this style guide, I choose a light color palette, off-white background, soft neutrals, and a thin, elegant serif fonts. Everything has a breathing room, lots of white space. This concept says I'm a premium coach. I don't need to shout. The images I pair with this are clean studio shot, white background, soft lighting, neutral athletic wear. This works perfectly for coach targeting busy professional women who want something that feels expensive without being loud. Okay, so let's move to concept B, warm and lifestyle. I duplicate concept A and go back into the style guide. I switch the palette to warm tones. The fonts become rounded, friendly, sensitive. Completely different energy from the same wireframe. This concept feels like your best friend who also happens to be a fitness coach. The images shifted to outdoor lifestyle photography, morning runs, yoga in nature, women's laughing after a workout. This is a perfect for selling a group program or membership where community is the product. Okay, now let's move to concept C, bold and editorial style. I duplicate again and go back to style guide one more time. This time I switch to a dark theme, near black background, sharp white type, strong condensed font. Everything is high contrast, nothing is soft. Same wireframe, completely different word. The images here are dramatic, powerful gym portraits, high contrast lighting, strong confident body language. This concept positions the coach as a serious authority, not a fitness influencer. A result driven expert. This is the concept that makes clients say, yes, that is exactly who I want to be. Finally, now I export all the 3 concepts to Figma with one click each. Everything comes in clean with proper auto layout, no rebuilding, no copy pasting. One more thing, inside Figma, run the Relume plugin, select your project, import the sitemap, the wireframe and the style guide, and the final design. Everything lands directly in Figma, clean and ready to go. No exporting, it saves you hours. I put all the 3 concepts on a single Figma canvas side by side and label them concept A, B and C. This is what I send the client, not a PDF, not a long email, just a Figma view only link and one line. Tell me which direction feels most like you. The client pick one direction, we move forward, revision grow from weeks to days. This is the whole strategy. Here is the thing most designers miss. I didn't change the layout once. Same section across all the 3 concepts. What changed was the color, the font, and the photography. That's it. And yet, these three websites feel like they belong to three completely different brands. That is the visual language, and that is what you are selling when you pitch to a client. Not just a website, but a direction, a feeling, and identity. The faster you can show a client who they could be, the faster they say yes. Drop a comment below which concept would your client pick, A, B, or C. That's everything. Hope you found this useful. Let me know in the comments which concept you would pick for strong hair coaching, A, B, or C. If you are not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Also, don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.